Haryana's DGP OP Singh's recent statement calling Thar SUVs and bullet motorcycles symbols of a notorious mindset has sparked outrage. DGP Singh said that people driving such vehicles often perform road stunts and use them to show off power and status. The senior police officer made the unusual remarks while speaking to reporters in Gurugram. He said that while police cannot stop every vehicle for checks, a Thar or a bullet cannot be overlooked. He called them symbols of show-off and arrogance because, as he put it, and I quote, it's the choice of vehicle that reflects your mindset.
अब थार गाड़ी है, उसको छोड़ने का क्या मतलब है? बुलेट मोटरसाइकिल है, सारे बदमाश इसी पे चलते हैं। मैंने जिस तरह की गाड़ी का चॉइस है, आपका माइंडसेट शो करता है। थार देखिए स्टंट करेंगे, हमारा एक एसीपी का बेटा था, गाड़ी चढ़ा दी उसके ऊपर और रोया फिर रहा है कि हमारे बेटे को छोड़ो जी। अब किसके नाम से थार है भाई? हमारे लोग तू ही बदमाश है। हम लिस्ट निकाले पुलिस की, कितने लोगों को थार होगी, जिसके पास भी थार होगी ना तो दिमाग घुमा होगा उसको। मैंने वो एक स्टेटमेंट है, थार गाड़ी नहीं है, स्टेटमेंट है जी हम ऐसे हैं तो ठीक है, भुगतो जी। दोनों मजे थोड़े होंगे, दादागिरी भी हो, अब फंसे भी ना, दोनों कैसे होगा? तो ये स्थिति है। तो हमारा यही है कि भाई देखो, जाम जुम तो लोग भुगत लेंगे, बेइज्जती ना करें।
A top cop saying that anyone who has a Thar must be a bully and is prone to performing stunts on the road has, as expected, divided the internet. Not only was he equating a vehicle with criminal intent, he was branding every young Thar owner as a bully. Right, and now we have IPS Gurinder Singh Dhillon, former ADGP Law and Order of Punjab, joining us on the broadcast. We also have Pranav Sharma, a Thar owner himself, joining us live from Haryana. And we have Aryan Chaudhary, also another Thar owner, joining us live from Haryana. Thank you, both of you, for joining us. Let me first begin with IPS Gurinder Singh Dhillon. I want your thoughts on a statement made by a police officer, a top cop. You know, you're talking about no less than a DGP making these comments. So would you agree with them?
First of all, thank you for having me. Good evening. Good evening to you and the other very good Thar owners, friends.
Good evening, sir.
So let me tell you one thing. What we have seen from this statement is, let's first remember that statement from police chief must enlighten and not stereotype. Vehicles don't cause rash driving, mindsets do. It is not Thar or SUV or superbike. It is the person who is riding or driving the vehicle. But at the same time, we can't shed our responsibility by this statement because enforcement, education and environment do count. What we need to do is, although I do agree to an extent that Mahindra Thar is a popular among young, it is good car SUV for a specific statement. Citizens, more so youth, prefer such kind of vehicles, but that doesn't mean that it is the SUV or Thar or a superbike which will cause accident. We can't shed our responsibility because ultimately enforcement lies with police, and of course other stakeholders also need to come into play. Besides enforcement, discipline and penalty, what happens is many times we do ignore the traffic violations, which we shall not do. And our penalty system should be harsher so that we can correct this mindset. At the same time, we need to educate people how to obey traffic rules. Then you will find honking and lane cutting is very dangerous phenomena which is existing on our roads, but nobody is working on that. So ultimately, it is enforcement, education, and environment, not a specific kind of vehicle. That's it.
Okay, it is not about the vehicle. Let me bring this to Pranav Sharma. Pranav Sharma जी बताइए, क्या ये जो डीजीपी साहब जो कहते हैं, आप किस रीजन के लिए थार खरीदा? वो कहते हैं कि ये जो थार खरीदते हैं ये सिर्फ शो ऑफ करने के लिए खरीदते हैं।
सर बेसिकली मेरी जो थार थी आई यूज्ड इट रेगुलरली फॉर गोइंग टू माय ऑफिस,
Okay.
taking my wife for a dinner date or something like that. And I have a group of people who own Thar, and we regularly meet and we exchange words for regarding the car also, and we think about कि कैसे गाड़ी improve हो सकती है. And it is never that my wife also drives it regularly. So she is so comfortable taking the Thar because you don't have to think before driving a Thar. So I would not say कि Thar एक गलत गाड़ी है. It is not about the car. It is about the person who is driving it. जैसा सर ने भी कहा था. So it is always the person who is driving it responsible. It beat any car. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी और गाड़ी से कोई इशू नहीं हुआ कभी या किसी और बाइक से कभी कोई इशू नहीं हुआ. It is always the person who is driving it. If he is not responsible, he should be held responsible for it.
ओके ओके आर्यन चौधरी जी, आप कहिए, क्या आपको आपको भी काफी बार पुलिस ने हैव दे ट्राइड स्टॉपिंग यू, क्योंकि आप थार चलाते हैं?
सर वैसे कभी मैंने कोई गलती नहीं करी है, कोशिश करता हूँ सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन प्रॉपर फॉलो करूँ। और कई बार होता है कुछ गलत, तो शायद जैसे सर ने आज कह दिया है कि सारे थार यूजर्स ऐसे हैं, तो आई फील अगेन एंड अगेन, आई थिंक अबाउट इट कि मेरी डैड भी कई बार अपने ऑफिस जाने के लिए थार ले जाते हैं, या मेरी वाइफ मेरे बेटे को कई बार ट्यूशन ले जाती है। तो इट डजंट मीन कि शायद अगर मेरी वाइफ उसमें बैठ गई है तो वो पागल या सत्सरे टाइप ऐसे हो गए, तो ये गलत है। मतलब वो जैसे प्रणव ने कहा, मैं आई अप्रिशिएट कि जो कार चला रहा है ये उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, कौन सी कार चला रहा है उस पर डिपेंड नहीं करता है। मीन्स
बिल्कुल.
कि इफ आई ड्राइव अ Mercedes class, Mercedes C class, and some car luxury, so I am very sophisticated, I'm good man, and it's not like that, na. When I drive Thar, so I become mad. So I have Thar from last 3 years, and I do my all regular works for this car, and really love this car, and I'm not a mad, sir.
Okay, okay. IPS Gurinder Singh Dhillon, also, they say data does show that there has been so many incidents involving a Thar. That is the reason why it is going to, that is resulting in these kind of sweeping statements and this kind of mindset being formed about it, because so many incidents of, Thars getting into accidents and such.
Okay, if DG Saab just wanted to, Mr. OP Sharma just wanted to highlight, enlighten the public that Thar is being used or misused by young crowd, no doubt that in youth, the wisdom and craziness sometimes mismatch. Similarly, you will see, I have seen traveling in West that the police target red cars because mostly red or maroon cars or bright yellow cars are used by young people there. And because of that, there may be a caution given to the police people that please look into when such cars are being driven, be careful. I think the statement should have been said differently. I totally agree that there is no doubt. You imagine when Fauja Singh died in an accident, it was Fortuner. In Dholankua, when another gentleman was killed, it was a BMW or Merc. So it is not one car. It is the traffic rules, the safety, the lane cutting, the speed, and enforcement by police and other stakeholders, including engineering, education, illegal cuts on national highways. These are the things out of my experience I have seen which cause more accidents. No doubt, we have to monitor speed limits, and this is the duty of the police.
Okay. Pranav Sharma,
Yes.
you have the DGP saying that, Thar is not just a car, it's a statement. But for you, it is something that is multi-purpose because, as you said, you drive it, your wife drives it as well. In that sense, you bought the car because it was a multi-purpose vehicle, because you could do so many things. You could drive it, to office, and you can drive it, out of the city if you want to drive it out of the city, isn't it? It's not meant for any other reason.
Yeah. So I had my Thar for 5 years. I sold it yesterday, and I have booked another Thar that is Royals. So I am buying it again, and would be getting my car delivery by 12th of this month. So Thar is such a comfortable car if you use it as a car. So people the things which had happened, तो वो सबके साथ हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं है. तो लोगों being alcoholic, लोग अल्कोहल पी के गाड़ी चलाते हैं, that is not good. So I would suggest कि हाँ, आप थार को एक स्टेटमेंट ना बनाएं, आप
हाँ हाँ
बंदे को स्टेटमेंट बनाएं. So थार is ultimately a statement, but as a car. बट जो चला रहा है वो उसको प्रूव कर सकता है कि गलत है कि नहीं है. My wife and my mother also drives the car.
वाओ.
So she is also so comfortable that she drives it everywhere even in the market. So she is always like कि यार मैं तो यही लेके जाऊंगी. This is the best because मेरे को कहीं सोचना नहीं पड़ता इसे चलाते टाइम.
Pranav, I want to ask you, have you been stopped very often simply because we were driving a Thar, because of this mindset? Because
Yes, I was
police
stopped,
like
sir.
stopping Thars to check if something is wrong there.
Yes, I was stopped. I was asked कि आपने फिल्म लगा रखी है गाड़ी पे. Then he stopped my car. He checked my car and it had no film in the car. So after that, I asked him कि आपने मुझे क्यों रोका था? तो he was like कि नहीं, थारों में ज्यादातर फिल्म रहती है.
हाँ.
So हम लोग चेक करने के लिए रोका है. तो I was like कि मैं तो ऐसा कुछ करता हूँ नहीं, but आप प्लीज चेक कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मेरे को.
क्या आपके साथ ऐसे हुआ है आर्यन चौधरी जी?
सर काफी बार हुआ है वैसे तो हार देख के, बट व्हेन आई स्टार्ट टू स्पीक देम एंड आई शेयर अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई एम इन दिस बिजनेस, और मेरे काफी सारे दोस्त हैं, तो तब उन्हें शायद मेरी पोलाइटनेस से पता चलता है कि हाँ शायद हो सकता है कि मैं देखने में किसी के हिसाब से थोड़ा सरफराज टाइप कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है, बट इट डजंट मीन लाइक दैट. सबकी अपनी एक चॉइस होती है सर. मैं कंफर्टेबल हूँ, हो सकता है मेरा कोई दोस्त कंफर्टेबल नहीं है कार चलाने में, और जैसा कि सर ने पहले कहा था कि एजुकेशन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट नाउ. हर किसी को, मतलब शायद प्रशासन इस चीज के लिए गलत ये उन्होंने बयान दिया है, मेरे हिसाब से ये होना चाहिए कि आपको अपनी सच्चाई और एजुकेशन पे इतना ध्यान देना चाहिए कि अगर कोई गलत कर रहा है तो उसके लिए एक प्रॉपर ऑफेंस, यू कैन कैंसिल द ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस. आप चालान रेगुलर घर पे आ रहे हैं, रेड लाइट हम जंप कर रहे हैं, तो काफी सारी चीजें सुधारने के लिए इट्स नॉट लाइक कि अच्छा थार वाला सामने आ रहा है कि ठीक है तो इससे मत भिड़ो, ये हमें कुछ उल्टा सीधा कहेगा. सो आप अपनी जिम्मेदारी से भाग नहीं सकते हैं वैसे. और रही बात की मैं सपोर्ट करता हूँ, मैं 4 लोगों को बता सकता हूँ इस चीज के लिए, और मेरे को ये कार बहुत पसंद है पर्सनली. और मतलब इसको हम सेगमेंट नहीं मान सकते. मैं चलाने वाला बहुत अच्छा हूँ, मेरी कार जिसमें मैं चलाता हूँ वो मेरी कार बहुत अच्छी है. आई रियली लव माय कार एंड दिस इज माय इमोशन एक्चुअली.
Fair enough. We will leave it at that. Aryan Chaudhary, a Thar owner, a proud one of that. Mr. Pranav Sharma, also a Thar owner, and IPS Gurinder Singh Dhillon, former ADGP, Law and Order of Punjab. Thank you all three of you for taking time out to be with us
Thank
here
you so much.
on